Here's how to change the lock screen clock font on your iPhone. Now, if you swipe down from the top left, you'll be able to see your lock screen. You can see I changed the font to be pretty funky. You can change it to something different. The easiest way to be able to do that is to head into your settings. Within your settings, you can manage that wallpaper or the lock screen, but you can also do it from the lock screen of your iPhone just by pressing and holding on the lock screen. But if you want to do it through the settings, you can scroll down to wallpaper and then just tap on customize on your wallpaper. You can see here I have this funky clock, and if I tap on it, I'll be able to change the font in addition to the color. Now, if I tap on the globe at the top left, you'll be able to see it's not the normal clock because I'm in Arabic Eastern, whereas most people read clocks as Arabic Western. You can see all of these other cool fun ones as well. And to change the font to normal font, you can just tap on through any one of these. You can see it gives you a preset of about 8 or 7 or so different fonts. Keep in mind, unfortunately, you can't just choose any font that you want. And then after you've chosen a font, you can, of course, just change the color as well. And depending on which font, you can make it bigger or smaller. You can see in this case, I can't make it bigger, but if I go back to more of a normal font here, I'll be able to change that font size to be bigger just by swiping up to the right or down to the left. And then of course I can also change it at the very bottom to be more transparent or more solid, completely up to you.